Being on camera. Yep, you too can be on camera. And why is it important for you to be ready for that experience? Well, I'll go back to the notion that you never know what the future has in store for you. And cameras now come in all shapes and sizes. So perhaps you don't picture yourself on television, but what's to say that you can't use the power of video to leverage your business? It's entirely possible, and I'm going to go into more details about why I think you absolutely need to think about video. But I bring this up in this series because, as I said, life is a stage. And when you're communicating, whether you're communicating to one person, to a room full of people, to an event, to a stage that's live, you also can exercise those same muscles when you speak into the lens. In this module, I'm going to be sharing some of my best practices for making very compelling videos. And I'm not talking about the ones that are on fancy sound stages with high-tech equipment. I'm talking about the best practices that you can use to make videos on your own, with your phone, with your iPad, ways that you can get started in this video game. Because look around the internet. There are videos everywhere. YouTube is one of the biggest search engines out there because when we want to find information, we want to look for something that is easy to digest. It's easy to get. And a short form video is number one. Think about it for yourself. If you get to a website and you see a long article or you see a little video that you can even see on the timeline is about 2 minutes long, which one are you going to select? Don't you want to meet the people behind a brand or behind a service? You want to see them, you want to hear them, you want to learn from them, you want to get a flavor for what they're all about. Video does that. So we're devoting a little bit of time to giving you the best practices for creating great videos for your business. I'm telling you, video is one of the most effective ways to build your tribe of fans. So here's all the nitty-gritty on how you can get started this week.